Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to update Android on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Open the main settings app first and then scroll down and select System from the list. Within here, scroll down again and choose Software Updates. Now tap on System Update, and if there is an available update you can view the information about it and tap on the Restart Now button. Your phone will then restart and install the update. That's how to update Android on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.